this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your download progress for a game or DLC or add-ons on your PlayStation 4. So I'm just on the home screen right here. There's a couple things that we can do. I can go over to notifications right here and I can see my downloads. And then I can select this and I can see it's Battlefield 4 and everything else that has been installed with the date and the time right here. Otherwise, I can press options under here and I can go to uploads. Maybe I uploaded save data or something. Now, there is another way that you can do it through the quick menu. If I hold down the PlayStation button, here's the quick menu. I can go on down to notifications, and then here's my downloads for Battlefield 4, so it's very easy to see it. I can even go to pause or cancel and delete. Maybe if it's downloading a little bit too slow, I can pause it and then resume it. Then also make sure all the other applications are closed in the background. So if I go on over to my game or app that I have open and close it, this will increase the download speed for your downloads. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.